What's your name? Hey, what's your name? What is your name? What is your name? How old are you? How old are you?
2.
What's your name? Princess Ebony. Can you do your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, now D.
Can you count?
3, 4, 2, 8.
Say 1, 2. Hey, where are you going? Oh, you're going to your messy room? What's that?
Baby.
What's your baby's name?
2.
2. Ebony, can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say, what's your name? Hey, what's your name? Uh-oh, bless you.
Baby boo.
Can you say bye to the camera?
Bye, baby.
Say love you. Oh, you're going to get in the box with your Legos? Okay, say cheese.
Cheese.
Love you.